Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about free app, and in this video I'm going to show you the only free video editing apps you need, most especially if you want to start creating content for Facebook, TikTok or Instagram or YouTube short as the case may be. Consider to check out this particular app. You can do virtually everything for free on this app, and you can as well export your video in HD quality, just like what you see right here. Every tool down below right here are all for free. You don't pay any subscription before you can use any of the tools right here. You can overlay, you can add sound effect, you can cut out background, you can add different sticker right here to your video to make it more unique and more clean. And also you can also add sound effect right here. There are thousands of sound effect that you can use right here. You can use seasonal sound effect, you can use transitions here also, and at the same time you can use cinematic, and you can slide in this way and see more and more as far as different effect is concerned. There are a lot number of effects right here that you can use all for free in this particular app right here. You can also add different filters right here. So if you click on filter, you see so many different type of filters that you can add to your video to make it more unique. So if I select on this particular one right here, click on it and then adjust the intensify of the filter. Once you are satisfied with the filter, go ahead and simply click on this particular check mark right here. This allows you to confirm the filter that you just added to your video. Then go ahead and hit on OK. Now you can see the filter. Now you can see that the filter has been successfully added into this particular video, making it more unique. Then we can also split, we can cut, we can add text, we can add voice over, we can link Instagram, then we can also add caption to our video. We can also upload music from this button right here. Click on this button right here and use different type of music right here. You can use music from trending audio right here, and you can also come to the top right here, click on here. This allows us to import audio file from our video. We can extract audio from a video right here, and we can also import from file as the case may be. It's that simple. Then we can also slide right here and then go ahead and navigate to royalty free sound right here. Then you see all available free sound that you can use for your video. The more you scroll down, the more you see free sound right here in this particular app. Okay, so let's go back to the editing right here, just like so. There are a lot of tools right here as far as this particular app is concerned. You can explore them one after the other and see how you can create high quality video for Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, or Reels, or YouTube video as the case may be. Once you are done with editing, go ahead and click on export right here, and your video will be successfully exported without having watermark on your video, and it is all for free. So if you are using Android phone, just go ahead and head over to your Play Store. I'm going to access from the editing tab right here, and then go ahead and open up my Play Store. After you open up your Play Store, for you to download and install this free video editing app, go ahead and click on the search icon right here. Then go ahead and click on search app and game and type in edit, just like so, edit. So once you type in edit, click on search, and then it's going to take you right here. The next thing you want to do is go ahead and click on here, just like so. I have already downloaded and installed the app. That is why you see update. So from your own end, just download and install it and start editing your video all for free, just like what you see right here. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks about free stuff like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.